Hi everyone, I'm Mogul Bobi 2. In this lesson, we will explain the layout production for Shot Hattie 1000. Layout is the foundational stage of shot production. Its main tasks are to add all the actors, assemble the environment in the shot, determine the camera framing and block out the character movements and overall pacing. First, the environment for this project was already completed in the pre-production phase. The first step in shot creation is framing, so we need to load the environment via linking. This scene takes place in the afternoon, so while building the environment, we also used Blender's environment textures to construct an afternoon lighting setup. Thanks to Blender's powerful real-time GPU rendering, we can turn on render preview directly in the viewport and quickly determine the camera position and angle based on real-time lighting and composition. While setting up the shot, we noticed that some areas in the forest were too dense with trees. So we used the library overrides to hide or adjust the positions of certain trees, making the overall composition more reasonable and the shot clearer. Next is to finalize all the participating elements that will appear in the shot. In the layout stage, we link in all the elements that make up the shot, and use library overrides to modify their properties like location, rotation, and scale, thereby constructing the layout for the entire shot. When setting up the bird's nest, we also used a very flexible hybrid workflow. First, we duplicated the egg asset multiple times, and then performed a make local operation only on its object level. The advantage of doing this is that we can add new instances within the shot, while still maintaining the links to the original mesh data and materials. This method preserves both the maintainability of the asset and the flexibility of shot production. Once the layout animation is approved, we can organize the scene, place it into the Public collection, and prepare the publish file for downstream animation or lighting stages to reference directly. Alright, that wraps up the overall overview of this layout production workflow. In this lesson, we completed the entire process from environment framing, element assembly, to basic animation blocking. Next, we will officially enter the animation production stage to see how character animation is refined step by step in a shot. See you in the next lesson.